pollen is everywhere. It's infesting everything. It blows in the wind. It invades my nostrils. It makes me sneeze. Anyways, welcome to Pearla's Playhouse. It's Pearla Woods here. Ollie Art, the whole thing. I'm about to go do some cool shit. I'm here in Richmond, and I'm about to go shoot some behind the scenes footage for a announcement that Marlowe Taylor's doing for AMC. You know, I had to ask if I can come do some BTS. We're all working on The Walking Dead currently, and he decided to do like a Walking Dead theme since this is the show that he's working on right now. But the announcement is for the winner of a Sound Award, which I'm not sure which award, but we'll find out soon. But yeah, I'm about to head to Petersburg. Shout out to Moist Pop by Hella Moist Soap on Instagram. She gifted me this and I love it. It's like shea butter but for your lips. Super dope, super moisturizing. You see how my lips went from white to bright. All right, anyways, let's get this show on the road.
Then turn right.
It's Sunday. It's a beautiful day. We're gonna reach 79 degrees today. And I'm excited. I love Sundays. Sundays are the beginning of the week. The week does not start on Monday. The week starts on Sunday. I like to start my week on Sundays because Sundays always have good energy. You know, it's the last day of freedom before return back to work. I like to use that energy to set the tone. What the? Don't know what's going on with my camera. It doesn't want to focus. But yeah, I like to use the energy of this freedom day, the last day of freedom, before returning to work to set the tone for my week. So, yeah. Ooh, look at my eyes. So, I'm here in Petersburg. I'm currently at the kill zone of Walking Dead World Beyond. So Jesse's here. You know, he don't like being on camera. He's a behind the scenes type of person. But he's filming Marlowe. He got that black magic up there.
Gotta keep this.
Look at that thing. That thing's sweet. Get the fit.
Yeah, she said she talked to Marlowe about like what, like it being just like background, pretty far away. So.
They look creepy.
That's my JR.
Your JR?
Yeah, give my name.
Oh, that's his name, JR?
Junior. My junior. Man boy.
Man boy.
Yeah.
This zombie's hair smells good. It smells like... This is my homie, Dell Jr. Dell JR.
Third. If we got like background zombies, I give them like their masks, their gloves. So I'm in charge of everything background.
Okay.
Kinda,
Yeah.
and like dummies, shit like that.
Marlowe.
Oh wow, they got the gate open. That's awesome. What's up, Dale?
What's up, Marlo?
How you doing, man?
I'm doing all right.
All right, cool.
Look
at
Get
you.
in, man.
I think you probably know, but Scott, Aliana, Scott, brother. She said it might be dope right here. What kind of,
Well, let's see what we can do because tripod not going higher.
This is a film guy in Florida makes these. Sound guy. So they come in handy for commercials, you know. People coming in buildings and they're like, what's going on?
Yeah. That's a big boom.
And Dale, I don't know if you're always around, so if you're not, you know, that we also do it on a day we know you are a zombie worker. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
I feel special. I got Aliana here. And Dale. Oh, man.
You are special.
Is this really happening?
It's your birthday present.
I know.
Yeah.
I know, right? So trying to get this back. Oh, son. If only I have a little shield or something. Where you gonna be at, Scott?
Okay.
I'm just trying to create shade.
This reminds me of the Michael Jackson,
Little video.
yeah.
Nice and scared.
That one zombie that was like,
You see any like pieces sticking out? Just like around my neck area.
no, I think you're good. You gotta do your zombie walk. You got a little jig with it.
You know what I mean? We're like, you know, have everybody, you know, put their hands up and I'm like, if y'all remember this scene, this with me, you know? And it was funny because I don't really curse. But I remember Scambone saying to me, he's like, man, Marley, look, man, you know, I know, like, you're, you know, but dog, it's a concert, you gotta curse, man. I'm like, all right. So next thing you know, I started cursing so much. When I came home, I was sitting in the master room editing something, and I think my mom walked in, and like she came in to check me, you know, what are you doing here, stuff. And she said, well, did you get it out? I was like, man, you know, Mom, them motherfuckers can wait.
Oh, no.
And my mom was like, what you just say? I was like, oh, you know, but my bad. The 57th Annual Cinema Audio Society Award for Outstanding Achievement in Sound Mixing for Television Nonfiction, Variety, or Music. Series or Special is. Wait, why do I have to refer to this? Thanks, Scott. And the winner is.
Your laptop, I can still put everything on 12 hours after I'm still.
I mean, it's pretty cool.
Is it cool?
You want to look at it?
I mean, I trust you, man. You said it's cool. Because looking at it, I can't,
Well, I mean,
I can't stand it.
It's cool for me.
Well, then that's fine.
Yeah.
I mean, come on, man. Just think if you were shooting you. Thanks, Scott. And the winner is.
And boom.
All right, cool. Yeah, that's dope. That's dope.
So it's Sunday, but it's kind of like I'm at work. But if I was at work, I would not be able to do this recording with my camera. You see this? Yee. Let's go explore. Look at it. Look at that bird. Got something. So this is a sneak peek of one of the locations that I work at. We were supposed to do an explosion the other day, but Mother Nature, I can't wait to see it. They had bombs planted all over there, and we were supposed to let them go on Friday, but it started storming real bad, so we didn't get to do it. But look at the bomb spots. See, there was a bomb there. Bomb. 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 But Mother Nature said, nah. No bomb. You know, disrupt my seed. That's what Earth is. Earth is a seed that continues to sprout every second of every day. Every millisecond, it grows an inch.
Who is this? I think they pulled